Face masks are uncomfortable, so I'm gonna see if I can fix it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Recently, I had to wear a face mask all day, and I just used one of these little paper ones because that's all I use, and they get you compliant with your local rules. But these have these little elastic ear loops, and the problem with this is that they don't feel like anything at the beginning when you put them on, but after 8 hours, they start to get a little annoying, and after 12 hours, they start to wear on the back of your ear here and actually start to hurt. And what I found I was doing here was starting to put them like on my ear like this, just to relieve the pressure of where they were pressing on my skin, and just doing a lot of things to make them comfortable. They really kind of get annoying. And if you have to wear a mask all day, maybe you're working, maybe you're traveling, whatever, this type of mask can actually start hurting your ears. I know it seems like a small problem, but it's a real problem. So I just bought this. This is a 5-pack of straps here, and I thought I would check them out. They make a variety of versions of this, but I thought these looked interesting because they seemed pretty robust. And what you get here is this little silicone strap. You can see it's about 6 or 7 inches long. It does stretch a little bit. It's pretty flat and very thin, but what we have are these little buttons on the top, and so you can hook your mask around them like this. The mask now will be held in place with a strap that goes all the way around your head as opposed to just on the back of your ear. So if I were to just go ahead and put it on now, like this, now you can see it looks like they're on my ear, but what's actually happening here is they're attached right there. And I'll tell you, it's putting some pressure right on the back of my head, but it's also being diffused by my hair as well. And I could take it off the strap and put them back on my ears if I wanted a little relief. But I tell you what, that actually works pretty well. I was a little worried because these little straps are not super light, but they're not heavy, but they are kind of thick silicone where the little buttons are, and so I thought those would just kind of fall down, but you know, this makes these paper masks far more bearable. So if you want to make your masks more bearable, you might want to check out these. I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.